Here's another pretty interesting application where modulo is useful. Suppose you want to know what day of the week it will be after n days have passed from today. Using modulo, one can find the answer very easily. But before we can find the answer, we're going to have to make some agreements. For example, Sunday will be called the 0th day of the week. Monday will be called day 1. Tuesday will be called day 2. All the way until Saturday, which is day 6. So that's the reason we're given these numbers in this list. Now, if you're wondering, what about Sunday after? Well, we're just going to loop back, and Sunday again will be 0, and so on and so forth. Now, the formula that can tell you what day of the week it will be after n days have passed is the formula that's written in the middle of this page over here. It says day n is equal to day t plus n modulo 7. So keep in mind that day n is the day in the future. Day t is the day today, which is either 0 or 1 or 2 or any random number between 0 and 6. That represents the day of the week that you're in today. N is the number of days that you want to pass. So you add those two numbers and then you divide by 7. Look at the remainder. That tells you what day of the week it will be. So let's give it a shot. Let's find out what day of the week it will be after a year from today, given that this is not a leap year. Now, I don't know what day you're watching this video, but suppose that today is Friday. Well, if today is Friday, then today would be day number 5 in the week, according to the chart that I made. And I want 1 year to pass, so what does that mean? That means day t is going to be 5, and n is going to be 365, because it represents 1 year that is not a leap year. So 5 plus 365 will be 370, and now I have to divide 370 by 7. It could be done either by hand or it could be done with a calculator. It's up to you, it doesn't really matter. In my case, I'm going to find out that the remainder in the division is 6, which means that a year from today, it will be day number 6 of the week, which is a Saturday, which kind of makes sense. So try to run the calculation with a different day of the week. Suppose you're watching this on a Monday or a Tuesday. Can you investigate what day of the week it will be after 1 year? Try to mimic the same process. The only difference is instead of day 5, you're going to have to use a different number.